Today we're going to take a trip to Port Gamble, Washington. It's about 2 hours from here. Port Gamble, back in the day would be the late 1800s, was one of the largest sawmills in the area. They would float logs down the Puget Sound, take it over to the mill there in Port Gamble and cut them up, make them into lumber. From what I understand, they've pretty much restored a lot of the places that were there. It's not a big place, only about 900 people. But it could be nice. I understand there's a general store there, a house that's supposedly haunted. I don't know that we'll get to see anything with that, but we'll take you with us. How about it? We can all go to Port Gamble and check it out. It's supposed to look like an old town from Boston. Oh, well, we'll see. So come on with us. We'll all see Port Gamble together.
So here it is, Port Gamble, established in 1853. If you haven't been here, you gotta come down. This is where they got their water. Gotta have water.
Oh yeah, especially put out them fires.
This is a town of the famous white picket fences.
Here I am, Port Gamble. Little houses people still live in.
It's a nice place.
No, these houses were built for the people that work for lumber.
Here's a beautiful old church. And it looks just as beautiful inside. There's a little history on this church. We were just saying that behind this church, these trees.
Probably older than the church.
Yeah. Beautiful church. Are you getting married? Well, call 360-297-8074. Get married in Gamble. You can always come to the Painted Lady. They've got primitives. These are some primitives. Yeah.
Yeah, that doesn't sound right.
It's a steal.
Or you can
Tango
shop
Zulu Import Gifts. Let's go into the Wish. It's for something different.
King of Octopus.
There's a strange guy in this house. I don't know who he is. This is the general store here at Port Gamble. Lovely place. We'll be going in there. There's some pictures. Show you around. It's the Port Gamble Theater.
No, it is.
It is.
Here we are at Port Gamble, and this is the Puget Sound. Port Gamble was actually made to look like a harbor in Boston, Massachusetts. What Port Gamble did was had a sawmill. Just about everybody that lived there, well, everybody that did live there, worked for Sawmill. Sawmill is long gone. But Port Gamble is still here.
Oh, it's cute.
It is cute. Seaside town.
I want one of them bird cages right there.
Oh, look at those bird cages. That's got to be a big bird. A very big
Will
bird.
that fit in the car? This one might.
Think?
I don't know. Give it a try. It's just the Franklin Lodge. Looks
I highly recommend you should come out. Port Gamble. Spend half a day, eat, take a walk, enjoy the sights. Haunted. Ghosts. Spooks. They're probably in the window looking at us.
Yeah, they're probably.
Probably staring at us.
Hi guys.
This is called the Ames House. Now the story behind the Ames House is that it's supposedly haunted. So, if you happen to see someone staring back at us in one of those windows when you see this video, well, it could be that they're from the other side. Quite a house. We'll walk around and give you the full tour. Why would anybody think this house is haunted? Why?
It overlooks the bay.
Here's the front of it. I'm going to take you a look in the window. Let me know if you see anything that's strange or suspicious.